Hi guys, I'm Dash and welcome back to my channel. So in this video it's going to be all about the Althea Korea Abloom Collection. I'll be showing you my demo application as well as my review video. So without further ado, let's get into it. And this is the first product right here, which is the BHA Blackhead Blaster. It contains natural BHA, charcoal, apricot seed powder as well as tea tree leaf oil right here. As you can see, it comes in a stick form, so all you have to do is basically dampen your skin. And well, this is actually water, it's not the mist, so you need to damp your skin and then you can just rub the stick all over your problem areas such as your T-zone, mainly at your nose area to get rid of all the blackheads. And as you can see at the back of the hand itself, the formula gives a little bit grittiness because you can see the particle coming through, so it can exfoliate the skin at the same time. Before washing it off, make sure you are massaging the product into your skin to ensure everything is very clean, very nice. And I do recommend this product for oilier skin girls because I really do feel that after using the product, my oil really is minimized so much and it gives a very smooth, clean feeling. But for the blackhead side, I think it didn't really remove the blackhead entirely. I do still see some of my blackhead peeking through, but to reduce the oil, this is a good product. The next product in the Abloom collection are these cute sheet masks right here. So we have the moisturizing watermelon mask. The next we have brightening lemon lime mask. We have anti-blemish peach mask, and last but not least we have the nourishing avocado mask. So these masks right here are seriously super cute and it's only 2 ringgit per sheet mask right here, and for 10 sheet masks is actually 15 ringgit, so it's really super duper affordable. And my review on it, I think that this mask, first of all, the shape of the mask itself is very large, so I can do feel that I have very excess place of mask on my face, but the essence of it is very thick. It's super duper juicy. So after about 10 minutes like that, I just pat the essence inside it, just pack it nicely, because I feel that the longer I keep it, it still won't dry up. So it won't dry up maximum, but about 10 to 15 minutes you can definitely take it off and then just pat the essence in it. And because at the same time, because I feel that the essence is so thick, I actually need to use a toner pad. As you can see right here, I'm using this toner pad also from Althea Korea, and I just remove the additional essence because I don't want my skin to leave so much essence and then it become very sticky. So after that, I always like to finish up my mask routine massaging in and also using an oil, any type of facial oil, just few drops, and then pat everything in, and your skin will really thank you because it'll be so moisturized and be so glowy. And last but not least, my favorite part, of course, the makeup side. They came out with giant meringue puff and also baby meringue puff, and oh my god, when I say this is so soft, it's really so soft, especially no, it's basically both of them is seriously so soft, and once after it's dampened, it gets so much more softer. It does increase half a size more, which I really like it. At first, when I tried to use the big sponge, which is the giant meringue puff itself, I felt a little bit difficult because I'm not used to it yet. But once you get used to it, the flat side means the bottom part of the meringue sponge is actually super nice because the area itself is super large, so you can actually blend out your foundation or any type of cream product super fast, super easy, and the finish itself is very nice. I love it so much. But the small puff, which is the baby meringue puff, impressed me so much more because honestly, to blend out for the concealer, is just the perfect size and it's just so cute and it's just so practical. I love it so much. And also not only to blend out the concealer, to blend out cream contour, cream blush, as well as cream highlighter, it's really perfect size. So I think I'm more in love with the smaller one, surprisingly, because as you all know, I really love those kind of makeup applicator, sponge applicator for foundation, but the smaller one really wins it for me. So this is a must have from the collection. So yeah, yeah, that's it for this review right here. I really believe the Abloom collection from Althea Korea, it's definitely a must to check out. So all the links will be down in the description box below, and also if you're a new user to Althea Korea, make sure you use our referral link to get more discounts. So yeah, that's it for this review video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Do thumbs it up, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!